CodeHouse Prep is CodeHouse's initiative to get underrepresented high school students involved in technology, AI, and coding.
Throughout the CodeHouse Prep program, we've been working through a curriculum of prompt engineering, AI bias, and really getting the students ready for their final Capstone Project, which is about creating an AI tech-related social project for social good.
Our project is called the Helping Hands Hub. It's really just been around homelessness and really getting the homeless off the street because everyone deserves a home. A big part was programming. Like programming really, we had to make a website for this project, and also learning how to pull together a presentation and making a video. Those are the main parts that really played key to this whole entire project.
I learned how to communicate with my peers. At first, I was kind of like to the side, kind of introvert, wasn't really talking to anybody, but this helped me grow with my peers and get a greater bond with them. And I also learned like patience. My project is a studying app where you put notes for other students. You basically just give them a heads up on stuff. You give them a heads up about a project. You'll give them heads up about anything that deals with school and that class particularly. Before this process, I wasn't really like a tech person. I love tech now. I love tech, I love everything. I feel like I understand AI more, and I love that my mentors, they really helped with every step of the process.
Technology is like the most important thing in the world right now. It's constantly changing the world, the way we live, the way we think, what we see, and it's important that the background of the people creating those technologies look like the people who are using them as well.
This program has meant everything for my students. It gave my students the opportunity to not just use computer science in the classroom, but it gave them an opportunity to use computer science to solve a real problem in their communities.
CodeHouse Prep is important because it is a pipeline for high school students to get into technology fields. I think a lot of times a lot of this learning starts very young, and so for CodeHouse to have started as a college program and be able to reach back to high schools and get students involved and interested in tech early is really impactful and powerful and helps to build the pipeline for future tech leaders.